Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We are still working on the task of regular audit of SSH access logs. In this lesson, we will develop a bash script to monitor SSH failed password attempts. So let's start developing our monitor shell script and let's begin with the shebang. Next, I will define the log file path, threshold, and the Slack webhook URL. So here I'm defining the log file path, which is /var/log/secure. Then the threshold equal 5. And I will set a condition on this threshold. So whenever we have a failed login attempts bigger than the threshold we have here, a notification will be sent to Slack. Then the Slack webhook URL and the host name to get the virtual machine hostname. Now I will define a function to send messages to Slack. Do define a function, type send to Slack, send to brackets, and provide your function code between the two curly brackets. So this function will be called when I want to send a Slack message. Now let's check for suspicious login activities. So here I am printing a message checking for suspicious SSH login activities. Then this awk command will be executed. This command is used to extract, count, and sort the IP addresses from which there have been multiple failed SSH login attempts. Then using the if condition, I am checking the count, and if it's greater than the threshold we have set here, which is 5. So if the count is greater than 5, then I will define a message with the value, the hostname suspicious activity detected, then the count failed login attempts from IP, then the IP. And after that, I will print the message and I will use the send to Slack function to send the message to Slack. Now that we have finished the script, let's test it. I have already copied the script to the Lab2 virtual machine. So from here, let's do cat /scripts ssh audit.ssh, and here is my script. And I have provided the Slack webhook URL, and don't try to test this webhook URL because after I finish the recording of this course, I will delete this webhook. Now let's execute the script. So let's type scripts ssh_audit.ssh or .sh, sorry. Now press enter, and as you can see, it printed checking for suspicious SSH login activities, and our message is the hostname for this virtual machine, which is lab2, then suspicious activity detected, 8 failed login attempts from IP, then the IP. Now let's verify our work from Slack. So let me bring the Slack here, and as you can see in the ops-alerts channel, I can see a new alert from the script we have developed with the same message, lab2 suspicious activity detected, 8 failed login attempts from IP 10.0.2.2. By this, we come to the end of this lesson. Your assignment for this lesson is to execute this script in a cron job that will be executed every 5 minutes. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.